Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to find or search a particular element in an array. So the user will give you an array obviously, and he will give you an element to search. So you should search an element whether it is in the array or not, and you should print the message. If it is in the array, yes it is. If it is not, element not found or something message. So there are two ways to do that. First way to search an element is linear search, and second one is binary search. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to do this using linear search. So linear search is very easy when compared to binary search. Okay, in the next video I will upload on binary search. Okay, so let me explain you what is the logic to do this. So linear search is nothing but searching an element from starting. So here I have taken an array. Let me take an array with index 6. So 0 to 5. So my index is 6. So these are my array elements. Okay. I will ask the user to give me a value which I should search. So let me take that value in variable key. So let me take the user have given 9. So I should search the value 9 whether it is in the given array or not. So to do this, what I would do is I will search linearly. So that means I will start here. So with my index 0 I will start here, and I will compare my key value with this 6. If it is my key value is equal to my first element, then I would print that the element is found at first location. So as it is first location, I will print. Okay, so and next, if it is not, so 6 is not equal to 9, so I will go to second one and I will compare the 7 with the key value. So as the key value is not equal to 7, I will again increment my value. So for this it is clear that you have to take in for loop, so which starts with 0 and which ends with n minus 1. I mean index value is 6, so it should end with obviously with n minus 1. Okay, and that I will increment, and at a possession, if it is finding my key value, then I will break there. I will break the loop there. So that is the logic you should implement. So for this, let me first write an array. Let me take 10 for convenience. For I, so key value. Okay, so I think n. So after that there is a stuff. You should print something, scan something, and just this is the stuff you should write before a program. Okay, to print a message, to enter an index number, scanning that value n, and to printing a message, to enter an array elements, and scanning the array elements. Obviously you would scan an array elements in a for loop, and you will print an array element in for loop. That is a condition, I mean universal thing. And after that, printing a value which you want to find, and asking the user to enter a value which you want to search in the array, in the given array. Okay, and the second one is obviously I'm storing that value in key. Okay, this is the stuff you can write, but mainly I'm concentrating on the logic. So obviously what I have said is my I should be from 0, and my I should end up to n minus 1, that is less than n. Okay, and my I will increment as usual for loop. And in the for loop, what I'm gonna write is if my key value, so I'm checking first this key value with the first element, right? So I first element, second element, third element. That means generally what would we write? So generally we will write as a of I. Okay, so if my I is equal to 0, it will check with 6. If my I is 1, it will check with 7, so on. So if I have found that element, yes, if I have found that element, what I would do, I will break there. Okay, so let me write a break statement, but before writing a break statement, I will write something. Okay, to know, to I mean at which location you found, that is important. So this is okay. You can write a break statement, you can break the loop there, but the main thing you will get a problem to do this is to do linear searches. I will print if the key value, if the value given by the user is in the array elements. Yes, it is in the array elements in this case. So it is in the, if it is in the array elements, I should print where, at which location it is in. Okay. So to do that, I mean I don't know at which location it will be, right? So what I would do is you can declare a variable or not, it is a different case. I will declare a variable found which will be initialized with 0, and if I have found my value, what I would do, I will write found equal to 1. Okay, if I have found my value, my found will be 1 and I will break. Okay, at last after this for loop, I will write here if my found equal to 1. That means I have already found the value. That means if my found is 1, I have found the value. So at which location I have found the value, that is the thing you should write. So let me write %d. I mean at %d location I found the value. So yes, this is my logic. If my found equal to 1, that means I have already found that value which is given by the user, right? So I have written that I found the value at some location. I should know what is that location. So I should know what is that location, question mark. And if not, if my found is not equal to 1, obviously I will write a message that your element is not found, that or anything you can write. Okay, so main question is where, at which location I should write, I mean at which location. So let's see the for loop. So I have, let me take this side as an example, this case and as an example. So in this case, my element is found at 4th location, right? 1, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and this is 4th location. So at 4th location, I found my value. So let me take this. After 4 for loops, I mean for I equal to 0 and it is not found, and again my I value will increment. My I is 1, again not found. My I is 2, again not found. My I is 3. If my I is 3, let me take my I is 3. My I is 3 and I found the value. Okay. So at the 4th location I found the value. My I is 3. So I think you got the logic. My I is 3, and at which location I got the logic? I got the value. At 4th location I got the I got the element, and at that place my I is 3, and obviously I will write here I plus 1. That means at 4th location I got the thing, I mean which is given by the user, the value. So at that time my I is 3, so I have written I plus 1, that is 4 at 4th. So let me execute this one. I think it is clear for you. So let me execute and I will revise what I have said. So my index number is 5. Let me take. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are my 5 elements. Okay. So again I am giving, I want to find a value 4. So 4 is found at, oh, 1 minute. Yeah, see, I have got an error, I mean not an error but a wrong answer. So let me check where I have mistaken. Yeah, see here I have used assignment operator, not comparative operator. See, I have used only 1 equal to, so which is the wrong answer. I should equalize those two. I should compare if key is equal to a of I. I should compare these two, but previously I have assigned a of I value to key, so that is a mistake. So let me again compile and run. So let me compile and run. So my index value is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and again I should 4. I want to find 4. At 4th location I found the value. Okay. So this is how you will write a logic. So I will revise what I have said. Obviously first you will take an array, you will take this stuff, all this stuff, and after that you will write a printf scanf statement for all the things, and after that coming to the main logic. So first thing is you will write a for loop, and you will start your for loop from 0 obviously, and from 0 to n minus 1, that is condition is I less than n, and after that I will check whether the value given by the user is equal to first value, if not the second value, if not third value, if not fourth value. If I find the exact value, I will break there, and I will give my found value as 1. So after coming out of this loop, I will check if my found is 1. If my found is 1, then I will say that my value is found, the value which you have given is found at a particular location, I will print. And if found is not equal to 1, that is initially found is 0, right? So if it is not equal to 1, simply I will write what you have given is not there in the array, or whatever you want you will write. So this is the actual logic which you will implement to find element in the given array using linear search. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.